Hi guys, so these are the ingredients we would use for our whipped shea butter, and of course you would need the main ingredient, which is the shea butter. And this shea butter is from Ghana. It's in its natural state, no additives, no perfume, nothing. It's very natural, right from the motherland. And so this is how it feels in its natural state. Yeah. And also, I advise that you take a bigger bowl than the amount of the shea butter, because when you whip it will become twice the amount. And so it's better to use a bigger bowl so that you don't become messy. And also, let's move on to this Neutrogena body oil. I've heard so much reviews about it. That's why I'm using it. And also for the scent, it smells very divine, guys. It smells so nice. And I had the oil from the reviews. I noticed that the oils don't stay in your dresses, they dry faster, and it's light sesame. The reads Neutrogena body oil light sesame formula, a sheer moisturizing experience. So let's see how that goes. And because it smells nice, I'm going to actually use a lot through the process. So now this is our coconut oil. We also have our rose hip oil. As you can see, I've actually done this before, so that's how come the amount is it's not up to the brim. And this is our vitamin E oil. The writings have faded off. And lastly, olive oil. Yeah, I'm going to add a lot of oils to make it very moisturizing and very shiny, and I mean looking very rich like a Nubian princess. Yeah. So the next step is to melt the shea butter, which we are doing through a hot water bath, because the whole idea is that we don't want to cook the shea butter directly, so that it destroys the nutrients which are good for your skin. And so as you can see, these are the butter is melting nicely. It's looking very golden, and I've been doing this for the past 7 minutes. So in 10 to 15 minutes, it should be thoroughly melted, and then we can proceed to add our oils, and you can see later. It's time to add our ingredients. I'm going to start with the Neutrogena, and since it's my first time adding this to this recipe, I'm going to actually add a lot. So I'm tired because it smells so divine. I think a little bit more will do. Yeah. I'm going to go in with my olive oil. Let me just open that quickly and add. I think that is enough. And then my vitamin E. And vitamin E, it's a very thick oil, so you just want to add just a little bit. Yes. And some people get reactions, so you have to be careful how you're using it. And I'm African, we don't do measurements here, we just eyeball. So that's how come I'm eyeballing without giving you specific measurements. And this is the rose hip oil. Add in a little bit of that. And then lastly, coconut oil. I think I'm sick and tired of coconut oil now, so I'm just going to add a little bit. I'm not going to add more. So the next step is to allow the mixture to cool off, and then we can use the mixer to give it a very good whip. So please stay. So I forgot to mention that you could refrigerate your mixture to make it cool faster if you're in a hurry or you need to rush off. And so this is the cooled mixture, and it's now time to give it a very good whip.